how to fix Instagram black screen problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen problem on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here you will find you need to find here Instagram. Click on it and then click storage, and now just click clear cache and clear data. Click OK, and then force stop and restart your phone, and then just go to permissions, and you need to allow all of those permissions here. Now just go back and restart your phone, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.